Yo, what's up everybody? Back at Brezicky Brothers Garage. I hope you guys like what you're seeing. Putting in a lot of work. So let me show you where I'm at with the coyote swap project. Found a little rust in the floor, so I decided to get some floor pans and put them in. Let's show you where we're at. So we're still shaving the bay. Had one coat of tiger hair on. Been working all weekend. Put a coat of bondo. And hopefully that will be it after I sand it again. Sand and repeat. Sand and repeat. Tubular bumper supports are looking good. Once again, this is the back side. The Scott rod panels, all primed up. Gonna end up putting some Raptor liner on the back side and underneath the car. Got half of the underneath grinded down with the wire brush. It's the middle brace right there for the seat pans, the floor pans. I got the floor pans from LMR. Pretty much one of the go-to places for all your restoration parts. I get a lot of stuff from there. So this is the driver's side floor pan. Just finished putting it in today. Wasn't happy about finding some rust, but I guess you'll have that with a 30-year-old plus car. Still gotta cut out the passenger side. That'll be done next time. Passenger side floor pan right here. Pretty good piece. Fitment's pretty decent. The shaved engine bay almost done with the Scott rod panels. Mafracing tubular supports. If you're looking to get some, made in the USA, great quality, love them. So there you have it. I wanted to give you a little update of what I've been doing. Been busy at the garage. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more. Stay tuned to the channel. Till next time, peace out, fellas.